DJI has just released the new Avata 2 and this may be the perfect time to start learning FPV flying. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy for new beginner with zero experience to start flying FPV. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alan Gadgets. With the launch of the new Avata 2 from DJI, you'll see probably the price of the first Avata to go down in retail and a lot of second-hand used units going on sales on Carousel. So this is probably the perfect time to pick up FPV drone with zero experience using the DJI Avata motion controller. I started with flying camera drone back since 2017. I've always wanted to fly FPV, but because of the difficult learning curve of building one and finally learning the manual controller of an FPV drone, it puts me off many years. But ever since I got my Avata from DJI, the learning curve has been much easier. At least I don't have to build and tune my own drone, and the motion controller gives you the experience and feel of FPV flying right out of the box. But if you're considering going serious into FPV flying, I would still recommend the 2-stick remote controller that let you fly the drone manually. So now I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to use this motion controller for a zero experience FPV beginner to fly FPV. So to help me demonstrate it, I've invited my friend and wife to fly the Avata using this motion controller. My friend Matthew has some experience with flying camera drone on his kayaking and fishing trip, but he has never flew an FPV drone before.
Yep, you're off.
Oh, okay, so actually don't have to worry too much on the pressing of the trigger lah. So I think he really intuitively is quite okay. It's just that you need to get used to the tilting to left and right the thing. So up and down is quite okay. Yeah, it's actually quite fun, you know.
Okay, you see on the trees on your left side, right? Try to go between them.
Yeah, it's actually quite, I guess once you play a while and get used to the whole experiential of that you have to go through left and right with your hand, it's actually quite easy, I would say, to use this. I think the thing we had to get used is the tilting is left and right.
Yep.
It's just twisting of your wrist.
Correct.
If not, people will tend to do this, you see.
Yes.
Hey, that's me. Hi.
Yeah, you still got a lot of juice left. Fly around, fly
It's
more.
okay, it's okay. We are those who cannot really take like this kind of motion sickness.
Yes.
Yeah, I got to...
That's why I opt for sitting down.
Okay. So how do I land?
Press on the red button, the same one at the top. Yes. Hold down.
Am I okay from your drone, from your camera?
Yeah, it's alright. Don't worry. It's a stone slab. Yep. And we have a touchdown.
As for my wife, she has zero experience on any drone, so this was her first time flying a drone.
Okay, let go of the red button. Okay, just put your thumb down, rest at there. Okay. No. You don't twist your. You don't twist your hand. You turn it sideways. Okay. You go up. Is elbow up, elbow down. Okay. You did already? Okay, then stop, turn around, turn back.
And as you can see, both of them were able to fly the Avata quite effortlessly after a short session on how to use the motion controller. The same problem they had from flying the FPV drone is having motion sickness from using the goggles. So my very first advice to anyone who is thinking of flying FPV drone for the very first time, please do that while you are sitting and not standing, because the motion sickness could throw you off balance and cause you to crash your drone or even fall on your face. In my upcoming video, I'll be sharing my learning journey and experience moving on to manual control using the 2-stick controller, and I'm going to talk about the different simulator apps that I use to practice those movements before going on to a real flight using the Avata in the FPV mode. If you're interested in those videos, please do remember to stay tuned in this channel. So that's all I have for you today. If you find this video interesting or informative in any way, do click on the like button and share. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!